China.
China? China, China, China. I have to have my China.
Yeah, guys, so basically, we have the bike here, and we don't have the ramp because we left both of the ramps at our lake house. So we're gonna have to freaking deadlift this thing up into the truck.
You do the street bikes, they say it's too dangerous. It is.
These are great if you want your bike to fall over. So these are really complicated. Ready? I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Okay. Vince. What I caught. Oh my god. Throw him in the back. Get in there, boy.
Pick him up.
Good boy. I'm going to grab his lead.
All right, guys, we're all packed up. We got the bike loaded. It's about a 3.5 hour drive to the cabin. We're gonna ride our sand track. Stopping halfway at Rock River to get some grips and air filters and stuff like that. Probably make a stop at like Chick-fil-A. All right, can I please get can I get one crispy kernel buffalo? No, one crispy kernel buffalo.
A few moments later.
Turn the lights down low.
We just listened to it.
Hey, buddy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah. It's my dog, Dash. Good boy.
You got my phone from your room?
Yeah.
I need to plug this thing in.
What's that? What's that?